Hi, it's Nick Hall again, and you've probably already seen me around the college. Now you're probably also thinking, what has this task got to do with you as a plasterer? Well, we live in a digital economy, and in the future you're hoping, and it could only be a few months away, to be a trained plasterer. And one thing you'll have to do when you become a plasterer is, if you become self-employed particularly, you'll be promoting yourself. So this task is really about helping you understand your successes. Now, one major success is you've got to almost the end of the first term, so you're almost a third of the way through the course already, which is a fantastic milestone in your life, and you're remarkably young, so you're doing really well to get this far. Now, what this task is about is using digital online skills such as Adobe Express, which is free, to celebrate and promote yourself. So what I want with this task is for you to create a poster either about you and your hobbies, and say something about how successful you've been in this term, or think of yourself as a trained plasterer or a trainee plasterer and promoting yourself as a plasterer. So I'll give you an example. When you've logged on, use the previous video, it'll tell you what to do. Let's click poster, because you might be making a poster about yourself, but you can see there were other options. I'm going to type in here celebrate, to celebrate you, and then I'm going to scroll down. There was a particular poster template which I liked, which I thought I'd use to help you. So, and yes, you are free to use the same one if you want to, but let's just, if you want to be creative, feel free, and I'll pick this one. Now that, you might think, what on earth has that got to do with me? Well, firstly, I'm going to just show you what we can do. If I click on this picture here and then go up here to the right where it says replace, I can then type in here plasterer, such as yourself, and lo and behold, up comes a picture. So I'm going to just choose that one, and that should replace it. If you put your cursor on it and drag it to the left a bit, drag a bit further, there you go. Hopefully you'll be a bit younger looking than that, but you get my point. So the next picture, replace, let's see what we can find. I'm going to type in something like kitchen, because I'm having a new kitchen. Now plasterers are required in new kitchens, because I've got one right now, plastering my the walls in my new kitchen. So I'm going to choose that one because it's looking remarkably similar to mine. Let's click on that image there, and then let's pull that over to the middle. There we go. Oops. Try again. There we go. And then the final one is the crawfish, I think it's called. Click replace, and let me have a look and see what we've got. I'm going to say bedroom, because my bedroom needs a plaster to sort that out as well. There we go. Let's click on that picture, and I will drag that over. And I've got very big sash windows, so that suits me right down to the ground. There we go. That sort of shows a bit of a wall that you'll be plastering. So there we go. And then here we go. I'm going to click on this, type in celebrate this year with a new room or something, whatever you want to put in there. And then I'm going to click on New Orleans. Well, we're not in New Orleans, but I'll put my name, and I will put trainee plasterer. And let's change the dates. Let's double click on that, change that to 2022. And there we go. You've already got an advert there of yourself, which you can use in the future. So you can learn this skill at the college right now, and you might need it in a few months' time when you graduate as a plasterer. Or, like I say, you can just celebrate your successes. You could even create a Christmas card for your mum and dad, or for the tutors, or something. So when you've finished, all you do is click download. And I would download it as a PDF, because most applications can open that without any trouble. Click start download, and eventually it should open it, save it, then click open, and there we go. You've got a perfectly, really very good looking graphic there that you can use to promote yourself. So that's all you're doing, using Adobe Express to promote yourself, your own successes and yourself. So good luck.